Good morning. I hope everybody's day is going great. Well, it's early, so not much of a day yet. But anyway, I have another little. This is a small recipe and easy. And if you don't have this one item in your stash, you should get it because it's a OMFG flavor and it's not hard to get. Okay, but you will thank me. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload another video, which is usually Sunday mornings is my day to upload videos. And I will put a link to my other recipes in this series. And anyway, let's get rolling and I will show you the recipe. Okay. Let me see if we can get this going here so we don't have issues. Okay. Okay, so we might get something going here. I'm going to share my, yes. Okay. Okay, so this is the recipe. It's called Cafe Iced. And the first, now you're going to laugh and think, how does hard cracked toffee taste like coffee? But it does. It's really yummy. It's like a sweet, to me it's got like a sugary sweet and it's got notes of caramel in there. It's like very yummy, very yummy. And anyway, I've used that at 2%. And then I threw in the smooth cappuccino cream, not for the coffee note, but for like that, that really frothy, creamy, when you have a cappuccino. Threw that in there for that at 1.5%. And of course, you can't have a creamy coffee without Vienna cream because it's just not ever heard of. And because this is an iced coffee, of course, we have WS23, which I forced myself to go through because I'm working on it. Okay. Anyway, so shall we begin mixing? Okay. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to lower you down here so that we can mix. All right. Here we go, folks. There we go. There. And hopefully you should be able to see. Okay. Okay, there we go. And so, and I'm making a 30 of this because it's just so good. Anyway, oops, I forgot nicotine again. I do this every time. Okay. There's nicotine. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, I'll turn this on. Okay. And of course I have my gloves on because I'm a safety girl. Okay. So I'm making a 30 vape at 6 milligrams if you don't know that by now. So it's going in the mix at 2.27. Really need a new scale. I keep saying that. Someday. The screen is messed up. And my nicotine is getting slower and slower. Oh, wow. Okay. And tear that out. Okay, PG. Uh-oh, I forgot to fill up the bottle. That's going in here at 7.93. And we should be okay. There we go. Guess I better fill that sucker up. Okay, and VG. Slip slide in the way. 24.22 grams for my 30. And I always mix at 70-30. I don't usually change it. Unless I try somebody else's recipe and they calling for something else, because it will change the taste of a mix. Not a lot, but it will change. More PG will bring out the flavors a bit more. But, okay, almost there. I don't need a VG accident. Oh my God, a VG accident. Okay, I'll also do that because it makes me see better. Okay, there. Okay, our first flavor up is the hard cracked toffee, and it's going in the mix at 0.6. And like I said, you'd think it was toffee, but if used at the higher percentage, you get a very good coffee. And that's Vape Train. I will put the link for the recipe down below as always. Yes, if you need to see the flavors again. Because if you can't do this, I have issues with that. Okay. And the next flavor up is Wonder Flavors Smooth Cappuccino Cream. Yes, and that's going in the recipe at 1.5% and in this mix at 0.47. And like I said, I'm adding this for the cream note, not so much the coffee, because we certainly don't need a whole lot more coffee. Okay. There we go. Okay. And the next one up is Vienna Cream. And that's going in the mix at 0.5% and, or yeah, 0.5%, but it's going in here at 0.15. It should be about 3 or 4 drops. And of course, it's going to make a liar of me today. There we go. Okay. And I seem to have forgotten I forgot a pipette, and I don't think I have another one. No. Okay. Well, we'll just have to sell them all. I'll just do it with a little syringe because, of course, I didn't fill up anything, obviously, today. Don't ask why. I guess it's too early in the morning, so I'm just going to take a couple drops with this, maybe. Yeah, we can do it. Okay, so the WS is going in at the same 0.15 if we don't have an accident. Because I don't usually use the. See what we're doing here. Oh yeah, I guess we can do a few more. Whoa! Okay. Oops. I knew that was going to happen. Well, I'll suffer through it. Guarantee I'm going to have to. It's okay. This is a little, oops. It'll just be colder than I like it. Okay. And I need something to wipe off my gloves because it's gross. Okay, I got papers on it. Okay, let's shut that off and wipe off this. There we go. Okay. Get that do this. Oop. Okay, and here we go. Whoa, that was good. And the link for everything I use is down below. And that should be good. Okay. And we shall get a boil. And we shall put it in there. Yeah. And you know. Yeah, I did. Oh, I forgot my spatula again. Nothing new there. Alrighty. And there you have it. We just made cafe iced a la zippy. Alrighty. Okay, now bring you back up. And oh, steep time on this is I would leave it for like 5 to 7 days, just for things to settle down. Everything just get all married and cozy together. I don't really do shake and bake stuff, but 5 days I would say minimum. I don't know if you can stand it, but and don't sniff the bottle. Anyway, I'll bring it back up here. There we go.
Lose my mind. Up in here, y'all gon' make